Americans do enough to get it done in the quarterfinals as they move on to the semis. Okay, pull up a chair. Let's look at the highlights. Let's look and see how this thing got going. It didn't take Charlie Brown very long to get going. Before we looked up, the Americans had a 7-2 lead. Two-piece was falling for Brown on both sides of the court. Trigger Trey using that quickness to get into the paint. Thomas, though, with the turnaround jumper. You got the feeling that, I mean, I said heading into this game, while Jamaica does not have the experience, even experience wasn't going to stop that oop. They don't have the experience. They do have some outstanding players. These dudes play 5-on-5, and they got big, strong bodies. They can catch bodies, and they got great touch from long range. So we saw them erase a 6-point deficit by consistent outside shooting. And man, that momentum, it ain't loyal. It'll switch sides on you quick. And once things started to heat up for the Jamaicans, they actually took the lead. They were up 14-13. A couple of free throws from Kareem Maddox put them in front, and the Americans never looked back.